It's a fantastic opportunity, firstly, to coach an awesome rugby nation that's got unbelievable history, talented players that play an awesome brand of rugby, and a country that is passionate about the game worldwide. So when I was given the opportunity, it was something I couldn't turn down, and an opportunity to the potential within the Vodafone Fijiana team is untapped at the moment, and my task is to unlock that potential. The excitement I have around the talent that we have available to us is something that I'm really excited about, and it's such a great opportunity as a coach to be able to have that chance to, as I said, untap that potential the team has. We will start our preparation around the 20th of April. We are looking to hold a camp in Sigatoka for week 1. Obviously, depending on how well the Drua team do in Super W, but that's our plan. And then with an exciting week in Suva, as we bring the whole squad to Suva, the week of the Test match of the Wallaroos. I've been clear with communication to the players that the net is casted pretty wide at the moment. We want to see as much of the talent that's available for Fijiana. And then obviously we'll narrow that selection down as we get closer to our preparation towards the World Cup. But the exciting part is that we get an opportunity to see a lot of talent and a lot of players before we select that final 32. Well, the first thing is that we get clarity in the way we want to play. Obviously, we'll have a short period to prepare for the game. Obviously, I'm very new. The players will start to learn how I coach and what I want from my team, and also I will learn a lot about the players and also our staff. So that this first test camp is a great opportunity for us to learn about each other and how we want to set up the way we want to work moving forward. But it's getting that clarity in our game. It's an opportunity for players to express themselves within the framework we put in place for that game against a quality team like the Wallaroos in a fantastic historical game on Ireland. From a player selection point of view, it's firstly, I'm looking at players that can perform their job descriptions to an international standard. So, the front row or the forwards can execute quality set piece work as well as ball carrying and physicality, and our backs can catch pass, distribute the ball to space very well, and also beat defenders from an attacking point of view. So those are the areas that I'm looking at as a foundation, and then everything else that's on top of that, any X factor displays or some skill work that players have, then that's awesome to have in their toolbox, really. Your support is so important to us as a team. We play the historic test match in Suva on the 3rd of May against the Wallaroos, and the players would love your support, to be there, to be loud, and to show that and the players to show their talent to you guys, and the support means so much, and we thank you in advance for everything that you do towards the team.